I'm going back to old Kentucky, there to see my Linda Lou. I'm going back to old Kentucky, where the skies were always blue.
Okay, all right. This is Darol Anger. I'm here for part 3 of this little Backing Up the Singer series with the great Kenny White. He's the Prez, folks, president of the IBMA and the president of
the Darol Anger
Band Club. But certainly president of like just all these instruments that, you know, Kenny's great. Mandolin player, plays guitar, plays band. You had picked up a banjo when you were 12 years old?
Don't say no to a gig. You learn it and then figure it out.
There you go. Man, yeah, great advice. Words of wisdom. So, so we're talking about backing up a singer here with the fiddle. And we just thought, we've talked a little bit about this. We've had 2 episodes of this so far, and they're just short little episodes which are very much expanded on in my ArtistWorks School of Fiddling, which you can go find pretty easily. It's just out there on the web. You'll find it. So we were talking about, well, how about some of the don'ts?
Yeah.
Like, for instance, don't play the same melody as the singer is singing. We actually have covered that. It's always exciting. Also, don't play. You don't have to play. Now, this is some bluegrass people would take issue with this. This thing would just don't play a million notes.
Well,
because people do that. I mean, you kind of have to if it's a banjo.
Well, yeah, they can't help themselves.
But if you can get away with it, if you don't, if you okay.
There's a fine line.
There's a way to do this.
Yeah.
So let's try it. Let's see if I can do it.
All right. I'm going back to old Kentucky, there to see my Linda Lou. I'm going back to old Kentucky, where the skies are always blue. Okay,
well did you notice that I was back there somewhere. I was back in the back. And that's important. If you're going to be playing an active role in your backup, stay off the mic a little bit. Enough to be heard, and also I was filling in a little bit more between. I kind of stopped playing while you were actually saying words.
Well, I think stylistically too. Originally the original bluegrass band, they would come around one microphone. So the choreography kind of helped mix your interactions.
Absolutely.
So you were able to play the full time, kind of help propel the song forward, but you weren't getting in the way.
Yeah.
Like I listened to the original recording with Bill Monroe, and when he was backing up Lester Flatt, he played the whole time, but it wasn't up in the microphone.
Right. Yeah. You just I kind of had to listen. Oh, what's that? So that's a way to deal with that, that problem of many notes. Certainly, how about like some, like all those complicated, cool harmonies, like, let's see, like.
Well, let's hear it.
Okay, yeah.
Linda Lou, I love you. I long for you each night and day. When the road
it's a little distracting, and if you're trying to sing and somebody's playing, it's gonna be save your fancy notey stuff for the solo, I would say. Also, let's see, and it gets the mood now. If we were playing like a really sad song or a sad waltz, you wouldn't want to hear like all this stuff. Now this is kind of an up, kind of fun song. You put a lot of notes in there, it'd be all right. You wouldn't want to play something sad. I don't know. How about Linda Lou, I love you. Let's see.
Linda Lou, I love you. Long for you each night and day. When the rose is blooming, old Kentucky, I'll be coming Very sad.
Yeah, yeah. That we don't want that.
No.
So, yeah, for ideas, we certainly. Some of the relevant lessons in my online fiddle school involve like the amazing fiddle scale, which you can use for fill, right? All-purpose bluegrass licks, right? Arpeggios, which we talked about earlier. Some of those iconic bluegrass solos that people quote. I've got 13 baker's dozen of those, appropriate.
That's very good.
And adding some more of those very soon. And then my whole full backup series. This is just a little example of what you'll be getting on the fiddle school. And then of course things like just weird little things like walk down lines, right? Ba, 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 ba.
I'm going back to old Kentucky, there to see my land of blue. I'm going back to old Kentucky, where the skies are always blue.
You can do those kind of things. We've got a little lesson on those kind of things. So all kinds of great ideas for playing backup to the singer, and so people will call you. You might even get paid someday. All right. Thank you, Kenny.
Thank you,
Appreciate
Darol.
it so much.
Always a pleasure.
Been a joy as always, and we'll see you at the IBMA convention in the fall.
Chattanooga. Yeah. Come on down.
All right. Fabulous.